Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey, people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and I wanted to report on my lead in secrets and legendary marketer. Now, I got another lead up here. Don't count the YouTube one, don't count the YouTube. If you can see that, don't count the YouTube. But this lead here, I got this lead from my third account. My first and third account seem to do really well. With legendary marketer here. So I just wanted to show you guys. So that makes that 5 leads I got from legendary marketer. I only sent 2 emails out. By the way, guys, I'm doing a bunch of stuff with my lead gen secrets. Like, I'm doing a ton of stuff, just testing stuff out. If you do get my lead gen secret, make sure to focus on only one thing I'm doing. Like, if you're only gonna promote one thing, like ClickBank, only promote ClickBank. Legendary marketer, only promote legendary marketer. Savings Highway Global, only promote Savings Highway Global. I'm doing a ton of stuff with my lead gen here. Alright, so guys, I want to say that. So we're gonna promote this offer once again here. Alright. So we log in to here, we go to mailing system here. And the funny thing is, I'm actually using, this didn't perform too well with the emotes. I thought it would, but it didn't. So I might still use them. I don't know. It's just, I'm just trying stuff, to be honest with you, to see what happens. New swipe. Yeah, you can go to infinite email swipes. It's infiniteswipes.com. It's no problem. And just find an email swipe that looks good to you. This is a good idea. And I'm finding that you don't really even need to put your name in here. Just post this here. You'll be fine. Keep it short and simple, and it seems to be working really well. Oh. My bad there. We're here for the full details. Just erase this. Keep it just that simple as it's showing right there. Now, what you want to change is probably going to be this. Pick some money signals or something like that in there. Like pick like it. $1,000, which is 100% possible with this offer. You can do it in a day. You might can get $1,000 in a day with legendary marketer. That's how it works. Once you get the pro, you probably do it in a day. One sale nets you $1,000. There's a couple of things worth like a lot of money in legendary marketer, and once you get a sale with those, whew, right? All right, so let's keep it here. Let's go with, I clicked on the wrong thing, guys. I'm sorry about that. Hold up, close that. Sorry. Anyway, I know what to do now. We're gonna go funnel here, go to affiliate links. Email GS1. That's the first email. First name. It should. First name fits right here. Space. My bad. Wrong button again. Give me a second. Now let's. This. Find a middle, like that. There you go. That's all you gotta do, guys. Review it, make sure it works. Always make sure your link works. I don't check sometimes because I know for a fact I just don't check sometimes, to be honest. Anyway, check that. Make sure to hit perfect timing as well. Perfect timing lets you know. Well, perfect timing sends the email around the time that people usually check their emails. So that's that usually is like, let's say 8 o'clock. You will receive your emails around that time. When they will receive your email around that time when you send it through this My Lead Gen Secrets. Okay. All right. Got it. All right. So we're gonna log out here. See, I'm doing this pretty off the cuff because I'm just going off on tangents and doing different things while talking about other things. I'm sorry about that. I get jumbled there once in a while. So anyway. Uh-oh. I'm putting it in. I don't know what I'm doing. I have no idea what wait. Take our time here. Going a little too fast. That's why I keep it down. Here, marketer. Put a 2 here. Add that. Copy that. Get it here. Make sure to. Oh, this wrong. Make sure that you label where your sales are coming from, so you'll know. You want to know this information. All right, we send that there. That's our second account. Now we're gonna go to our third account here. Log out. In. Boom, boom, boom. Here. All right. Going down a little. Right. Make sure you do this right. I'm going real fast. I'm kind of got used to doing it. Make sure you do it right though. Make sure you got all your, check your email, check your link like twice. Remember now, you can't make any money if your link doesn't work. Won't make money if your link doesn't work. Make sure. Always check and see if your link works. Add, copy. So, I think that's pretty good, guys. Let's make sure it works. Okay, good. And we send this email. All right, guys. That's there. That's that. Right? And yeah, like I stated before about let's talk about Legendary Marketer a little bit here before we sign off here. Legendary Marketer got like a million ways you can get paid. Once you get somebody in the system, It has a ton of different products that it sells to help build a business, which are necessary. And the thing about Legendary Marketer is that it's not it's very legitimate training. Like, this stuff works, you know. That's why people will want to purchase it. They update their systems and everything. So all of this stuff and everything they spend, like, say for example, I spend $29 a month and get this upgrade, right? The person I signed in under would get at least $15 of that, somewhere around there. Probably get more. I don't know how much it is. It depends, but the commissions jump a huge amount once you start paying, and you can just make your money real quick. And like I said, this is like the cheapest way you can promote a high ticket offer. Okay, guys, this is the cheapest way you can promote a high ticket offer. That's just what it is. That's truth. And if you want to promote something that's very high ticket, you can get you want to have $1,000 days, so to speak, at the cheapest you possibly can. There are a bunch of offers out there that offer $1,000 affiliate offers, but usually you probably have to pay $1,000 to sell it. You probably have to pay $1,200 to sell it, something like that. Like, there's a huge financial burden on promoting these products, right? Legendary Marketer is just $29.99 a month to promote these products. Now, say if I get a sale, $1,000 sale right now, like any of my leads purchase something that's $1,000 right now, purchase something that should net me $1,000, so to speak, I'll probably only get around about $300 because I'm not active. Right, I don't have the pro affiliate account. I'm not paying the $30. That's the difference. You only pay $30, and if you get $1,000 sale, and if somebody purchase something that's up there like that, you get that $1,000 sale. You get them $1,000 days, and this can happen multiple times. And there's just a bunch of other stuff tied into Legendary Marketer that they'll promote for you once you upgrade to a pro. ClickFunnels, promote ClickFunnels. I believe Aweber. All of this stuff is used to make a legitimate business, guys. So this stuff is worth purchasing, and it's just marketable. You don't have to feel like you're trying to get one over people when you promote Legendary Marketer. It's all legitimate. They update it every time. I've seen some of the contents. I haven't seen everything, but I've seen some of it, and what I've seen is very legitimate. All right, that's all I have to say. I'll shut it down. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you're very interested in seeing more videos and so on. Got all the links in the descriptions, of course. You're interested, you want to become a Legendary Marketer pro, so to speak. You want to get one over me. I personally want to get like a bit sale before I before I purchase this. I kind of got a lot of money going everywhere right now, so that's the reason why I haven't purchased it. I just found this product myself. I'm pretty sure it's been around for a while, but I just found the product myself, and I got my money scratched out a little bit in different things, and that's why I haven't upgraded yet. But if I get a big sale, I get a big sale, not small sales. I get a big sale. I've gotten some small sales, but I want a big sale. If I get a big sale, I upgrade immediately. So that's what I want to do personally. But for you, those small sales that I gotten, right, I would already be making more money off of them small sales if I upgrade it right now. But that's just my method of thinking right now. I am, because I'm fine money wise. I want to see what else I can do with this product. You know what I mean? I want to see what this product can do. And once I get more and more consistent sales coming in with it, I'll upgrade. All right, that's all it is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Now, hit that notification bell. I feel like I just said this. I'm sorry, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.